Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Ram 3500. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.